Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your game account on the Gardenscapes game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gardenscapes game on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account that you want to delete, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on Save Progress. From here you can log in to your respective account that you want to delete. After logging into your account, from the settings menu, tap on the info button at the bottom left, and now you will see the delete account option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Tap on the delete account button once again in order to confirm your account deletion, and this will proceed with deleting your account, and you will also be logged out from your game. If you change your mind, you can log back into your account before 15 days has completed, and your account will once again be recovered. And there you have it. That is how you can delete your accounts on the Gardenscapes game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.